Hi guys! We just had a delivery of dog food and today it's prep day, and that means that I will be preparing Mojo's food for the next 35 days. I will be talking you through everything I do from start to finish on a prep day like this. So here's the box that just got delivered. I also have something in the freezer. I will lay it all out on the table to show you everything that we have. So here we have everything that goes in the next 5 weeks meals for Mojo. So let me break it down for you. On the bottom row here we have duck wings. That's the bone sauce that we have for the next 5 weeks. Here we have hare meat. That's 4.5 kilograms. Here we have the fish. That's 2 bags of mackerel and 2 bags of sardines, which make up 2 kilograms. Over there we have 2 kilograms of rabbit meat and 1 kilogram of duck hearts. Then we have 1200 grams of chicken fillet and a little bit over 1 kilogram of pork here. I usually don't use store-bought meats, and I definitely try to use as much wild shot meats where I can, but these are all on sale and they were about to expire the next day after buying them, and they had so many packets that I was sure that they were not going to sell everything and they would have to throw it out, so I thought I'd buy some. So this is just pork to add some more fat to our diet since it's winter. Then over here we have beef spleen. These are chicken livers and these are bull testicles. Now I will be using both of these bull testicles, half of that spleen and all of those chicken livers, and that should make up a total of 10% of a diet in organ meats, of which half of it will be liver. Now I will place everything on the bathroom floor, and I do it there because that's an easy surface to clean afterwards and I can easily disinfect it. And once it's all thawed, I will prepare the table, and then I will prep all of the meals for the next 5 weeks. It's 7 o'clock now. The meat has been here since noon, so it has had plenty time to thaw, and right now it's time to prep. So what I start with first is the bone-in meat. So right now I have 5 kilograms of duck wings that I have to divide over 35 little plastic containers. Just to show you what the bathroom looks like right now. Here is all of the meat, and in the bowls there is meat that I've already cut up into pieces. They were just big chunks that will be too big for Mojo to eat. So I chopped them into smaller pieces. So now all containers are lined up on the table and I can get the duck wings out. So that's the duck wings done. Now it's time for the organs. So this is the first organ that we will be adding. It's pieces of bull testicle. Next up is beef spleen. This is chicken liver. Now the total amount of organ in our diet is 10%. 5% of which is this liver and 5% of which are the other organs, so the beef testicles and the beef spleen. So as you can see, Mojo's meals are different every day. She does not get liver on every day, or spleen, or testicles. All of this organ meat is divided over 35 days, which means that some days she might just get a tiny amount and some days she might get a little bit more. Mojo can handle this, but not every dog can handle this, and this is something that I definitely do not recommend doing for puppies, as they need a balanced diet on a daily basis. Now it's time to add the fish. Here we have mackerel. And here we have the sardines. in order to add them to the tubs, I would have to cut them up. But the tubs on the right side are quite small, so they would make meals that are too small anyway. So I might save these and feed these on a day that she gets a small tub. So what I'm doing now is refreezing these fish with a sheet of parchment paper in between, and they are quite separated in the middle, so I can easily take one out as needed. Okay, the fish is back in the freezer. That will be fed separately along with a small container of food. And then we have rabbit meat here that will be divided over the containers now. Next up is chicken. Then we have duck heart. Now we have about 1 kilogram of pork meat and a little bit of belly fat. Now all there is left to add is the hare meat. These containers have rabbit, then we have some chicken there and pork here, and then hare divided over the others. Then we have heart in each one, fish in each one, duck wing in each one, and some organ in every one, but just divided over all of these meals. Now it's time to place the lids on top, clean everything, and that's it.